Good morning. Welcome to Stock Starters. It is August 7th, 2020. Let's recap the market on yesterday. Yesterday we had a very bullish day, as you can see by this daily candle. The previous day we had a doji, so I express caution whenever you see a doji. And this stock has had a pattern of following a trend for about 5 to 7 days before reversing and doing a pullback. Now, if you are following the trend and the market is trending upward, then if you're intraday trading, you are going to go long. If you're trading options, you're going to select your calls. If you take a look at the 5-minute chart, you'll see first thing in the morning, there was a run up. However, there was a pullback here. Mornings on the Qs are choppy. However, one of my favorite trades to take in the morning is to short the Qs. So join us as Stock Starters to learn how to do that and to find out what time this short usually occurs. However, if you are swing trading, you would have placed your stop loss below the low of the previous day, which was $269.96. Join us to find out exactly where you place that stop loss. And then you just allow your stock to play out throughout the day. If it had dropped below a certain point, it would have kicked you out of the trade and protected your profits all the way up to this point. Now, let's take a look at the news for today. Today, we got the news that President Trump is banning TikTok, and TikTok affects tech, and the Qs is heavily affected by tech. All of your giants, Google, Apple, so on and so forth, are in tech. We had some losses first thing in the morning, and then we got better than expected economic data, so some of the losses were reduced. So I'm exercising caution here. But if you are a swing trader, the low here was $270.19. So join us to find out where you would place your stop loss this morning to protect your profits. As you can see in the afternoon, I would recommend, if you are intraday trading and following the trend, I would recommend looking at the market in the afternoon. Things calm down, but what you may not know is that options are cheaper in the afternoon. Things move a little slower and the options are cheaper. So this morning, as you can see, during pre-market, we are down 93 cents. So if you're swing trading and you continue to stay in, then you've already lost some of your profits. So first thing in the morning, you want to go in and protect those profits and move your stop loss up to a certain point. Again, join us as Stock Starters to find out where you place your stop loss. Now, as of today, we know the low is $270.19, and we have a high of $274.95. Based on all the news that we have, we will see whether or not this uptrend will continue, or if we're going to be trading within this candle, or if the stock is going to move below the low. Now, keep in mind that this gap is still here. If you look at previous videos, we talked about this gap, and this stock is notorious for closing gaps. So I would exercise extreme caution, but join us as Stock Starters for a move if the stock goes above $274.98, or if it breaks down below the low of $270.19, or if you're intraday trading and this stocks remain within the body of this candle, learn how to continue the trend to the upside. So this concludes our market analysis for August 7th. Join us as Stock Starters for all of your trading needs.